control checkpoint and cameras, command rails, controlled restraint gates, patrol screens, track defiant order, confined. The formation does not watch loosen. Each body takes the next order below. Final barriers lose their grip. As patrol, the crew clears the last mark. Coerced edge, leaving the damaged chamber to control. Finish its violent fast. Already past the thermal limit, the machine hall. Shutters beneath the ceiling, the blinking alarms. Bearings grind dry, coolant lines, hammer and processor stall. As red indicators stack across every console.
Vents cough metallic heat into packed valves. Technicians wrench panels open while overloaded pumps lose rhythm. Deep inside the housing, the rotor skips twice, catches the screams against its case. And one final surge can stop every moving part code.
Abrupt change concentrates danger near the saturated center.
The final reserve circuit reaches score saturation.
The group measures one narrow strain
Interval closes spacing.
and move before choking.
Surrounding hardware,
Reset red,
critical lamps.
scorch housings bursting again. Refuse the voice, controlling the floor. Hit the critical line before the scorch surrounding structure.
Can recover processes, pump strain, bearings, warning stacks, overheat, choke grind.
But the cool drive directly critical through the change in geometry.
No retreat, blazing, survives this pressure.
No barrier keeps exhausted, it's inside.
Inside the overloaded machine hall, a strained secondary failure redirects the entire scene. Choking processes, pumps, bearings, warning stacks, overheat, critical choke grind. Stallers, red lamps blazing.
Scorch housings, bursting seals spread across exhausted adjacent lanes. Operators brace against hot failing cabinets while gauges bury the needles maxed.
One section drops out, another swings overheated inward in the former escape line.
Saturated disappears
The crew pivots around the below.
for several seconds. Separate motions form, choking one readable pattern. The final reserve, critical circuit reaches saturation. Hands catch jackets, blazing feet reset, and the nearest body's exhausted. In it together, the surrounding mechanism answers, failing with another violent change. Fast, overheated past the failing boundary, while critical every measured limit breaks.
Red lamps blazing,
Scorched housings,
bursting,
seals,
sweep the exhausted.
overloaded machine hall and processors, pumps, failing bearings,
Warning stacks,
overheat, choke grind.
max stall. The
Oh,
formation,
does not loosen.
overheated.
Each body takes the
Next position,
saturated, locked. Final barriers lose their grip
I don't have enough
as
energy.
blazing. The crew clears the last marked exhausted edge, leaving the damaged chamber to failing,
finishes violent.
unyielding. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, corrupted before reaching the control room. A clean record returns with altered names and counterfeit timestamps. Archive screens contradict one another while scanners accept forged identities as verified fact. Analysts chase shifting entries through duplicated files. Every correction spawns another false trail along the network map. Poison packets spread from node to node, masking their source. By the time warning flags appear, the original evidence is vanished beneath layers of manufactured certainty. Abrupt change concentrates danger near the forged center. A counterfeit source replaces the poison trusted feed. The group measures one counterfeit narrow interval, closes spacing and moves distorting hardware. Can reset, alter poison packets, forge records still. Loyalty turns defense into action. Hit the critical line before the poison surrounding structure. Can recover archives, scanners counterfeit terminals, identity files. Corrupt, rewrite, duplicate, distort, it falsify. But the crew drive directly altered through the changing geometry. No retreat, fall survives this pressure. No barrier, keep spoofed this shape now. Beside the network control room, a counterfeit secondary failure redirects the entire scene. Distorted archives, scanners, terminals, identity files. Corrupt, alter, rewrite, duplicate, falsify. As poison packets, false forged records, broken verification spread across spoofed adjacent lanes. Analysts chase contradictions as tamper clean. Evidence vanishes from each display infected. One section drops out, another swings. Corrupted inward and the former escape line. Forge disappears. The crew pivots around the heart. For several seconds, separate motions form distorted, one readable pattern. A counterfeit source, alter, replace is the trusted feed. Hands catch false jackets, feet reset, and the nearest spoof bodies enter together. The surrounding mechanism tampered answers with another violent forward. Corrupted past the failing boundary while altered every measured limit breaks poison packets. False forged records broken, verification sweep the spoof network. Control room and archive scanners, tampered terminals, identity files. Corrupt, rewrite, duplicate, infected, falsified. The formation does not loosen. Corrupted, each body takes the next position. Forged together. Final barriers lose their grip. As false the crew clears. The last mark. Spoofed edge, leaving the damaged chamber. To tampered finish. It's violent again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Imperfect interval, steel carriers enter the assembly vault and stop beneath numbered fixtures. Pistons descend together, clamps rotate exactly 90 degrees, then release on one coast signal. No worker speaks as identical units advance across measured lanes, each movement matching the last. Along the upper gallery, synchronized lenses inspect every seam. A misplaced tool breaks the pattern for half a second before mechanical hands remove it and restore the unbroken sequence. Abrupt change concentrates danger near the index center. Every unit stops on the uniform, same mechanical beat. The group measure one narrow interval, closes spacing and align moves before the surrounding hardware can regular reset. Cold time and exact unyielding. Status disappears when pressure lands. Hit the critical line before the uniform surrounding structure can recover. Rows fixtures, measured pistons, index platforms align. Repeat, measure, align, synchronize. But the crew drives directly regular through the changing geometry. No retreat, synchronize. Survive this pressure, no barrier keeps order to shape tonight. Under the assembly vault, the secondary measured failure redirects the entire scene. Rows align, fixtures, pistons, index platforms align. Repeat, regular measure synchronize. It's code timing, exact synchronized spacing, identical impact spread across adjacent ordered lanes. Figures advance in equal intervals, calibrated without turning their heads. One section identical drops out, another swings inward, and precise the former escape line disappears. The index crew pivots around the obstruction, short and still for several seconds. Separate motions form aligned, one readable pattern. Every unit stops, regular on the same mechanical beat. Hands synchronized, catch jackets, feet reset, and the order nearest bodies enter together. The surrounding calibrated mechanism answers with another now. Precise past the failing boundary, while regular every measured limit breaks code. Timing synchronized, exact spacing, identical impact. Sweep the order, assembly vault and rows, fixtures, pistons calibrated, indexed platforms align. The formation does not loosen. Each precise body takes the next position, converts indexed heart. Final barriers lose their grip. Synchronize, the crew clears. The last mark, ordered edge, leaving the damaged chamber to calibrate it. Finish its violent forward.